It's like 32 degrees. I just washed up. Plan is, I'm using my Pixel to record this because my other phone is dead. And just change, pack some food, and go to the library. Charge all my stuff because there's no sun and it's ice cold, so all my electronic devices are fucking dead. Oh, fuck. Can't even open some of my doors because they're frozen shut. There's ice like dripping down my window protector things. A good thing I'm in Colorado is to be like this every fucking day. With the my comforter on top of my bedding, between the sleeping bag and then the open sleeping bag on top of the comforter, my bedding's really warm. Ooh. Fuck. Pretty surprised how warm it is, but it's really warm. I got another blanket that I'm not even using. God fucking damn it. I just washed up, but just to get some good smells. Whew. I got this jacket like 15 years ago, and it's still just as good as it was. Fuck. Trying to apply for jobs. My laptop was dead, so I couldn't check over my resume and send it to myself in an email. I could apply for stuff on my phone, but I didn't have my resume on my phone yesterday because everything was, not everything, but a lot of stuff was dead. This is the only phone that isn't dead now. I had my 2 phones yesterday, but both my laptops completely dead. The batteries on these electronic devices just die in the cold weather super easily. I'm gonna pack some food. I'm gonna make a peanut butter sandwich. I'm gonna pack some walnuts in my thermos. I forgot I bought some walnuts. Found those yesterday. Pick up coffee. There's a corner gas station on the street where I turn to go to the library. It's about a mile down. I'll get coffee there before I get to the library. Hopefully the library is open. It's not closed. I hate fucking MTV. I like some of their shows, but a lot of their shows, I can't stand them. Like my sister used to watch whatever fucking show that was on with that, the Daily Show or whatever. She used to just fucking be glued to that shit when she'd get home from school. And then I'd get home from school after her, and she would just be watching it every fucking day. And I would fucking just cringe when I'd open the door. I was like in elementary school, and I'd fucking cringe to that shit. Stupid as shit. Stupid shit for stupid people. But stuff like Jackass, like ridiculousness, stuff like that stuff's pretty good. MTV Cribs, I like that stuff. But the fucking mindless, fucking trendy bullshit, that fucking soap opera shit, I hate that shit. Oh. Is this clean? Let's see. Let's find out. Smells good. Alright. Fucking Batman. Thermos. That's good. That up. It's clean. Ew. It is not clean. It's fucking gross. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do for a sandwich. I'm gonna wrap my sandwich in paper towels and napkins and toilet paper. That's what I'm gonna do. I think I have foil somewhere. I think it's out. Where the fuck it is? It's somewhere. But I got napkins. Grabbed that extra napkins when I got coffee last week. Like every time I got coffee. So that's gonna come in handy. We got one can of soda left. Take that with me. Might grab like a snack at the gas station on the corner. Take a break from going to the library. I mentioned, I gotta remind people my van's fucking 30 degrees right now. It's 30 degrees outside. All right. Get that over here. I mean, people neglecting my content, it just makes me habitually work harder. And now it's like engraved into my fucking soul. Just making content like a fucking machine between 2 channels. So, like I said, it might suck right now, but in the long run, it's gonna pay off dividends for me because I know how to fucking work my ass off. I don't know if shit handed to me. I don't need shit handed to me. Alright. I don't know. That's gonna do for now. But if I find, I'm probably gonna look for my foil. I'll just wrap it in that too. So I got a sandwich, I got some walnuts. And if I'm so hungry, I'll grab like pretzels or chips or something at the gas station on the corner. But I'll probably get coffee before I get to the library. I'm talking about getting snacks like as a break or something. So I'll do that if I have to. Going to school for 5.5 years in Buffalo has its perks. The stuff isn't, you kind of get used to the cold once it gets cold. Makes you not a fucking bitch, not a fucking pussy. When you upload content and you upload a lot of it and people ask, who the fuck are you? It means that they don't want you to be successful. They're fucking pussies. And I'm gonna make those people very unhappy, unfortunately. Alright, I'm gonna look for tinfoil, wrap this video up. That's the plan for the day. I basically gotta charge all my electronic devices so I can apply for jobs. I go apply for jobs and fucking get hit with a fucking ice storm and all my electronic shit and my solar panel doesn't charge. And I just gotta jump through extra loopholes to fucking accomplish my goals. It's my life.